Today we have a cultural rally. See, this is our English department. Hey, what's your character?
Pihasini.
Piasini. Okay. And what about you? Character?
Pregnant. 7 months.
और इधर भी दिखाइए कैरेक्टर. Oh, इतना भयानक. Oh. Our English departments. Oh! Bamboo ghost. English back. What's your character? Sister. Ghost. Woo! Cultural rally.
मेन बहना को शादी नहीं किया लेकिन फिर भी देखो बहना दिया.
करो.
Acting. ये बुद्धि है.
मतलब प्ले करना मत छोड़ना. वहाँ पे फील्ड पे भी अगर हमें रखेगा ना तो वहाँ पे प्ले करना मत छोड़ना. बढ़िया लगा.
Real ghost का बेटी दो तरफ ghost.
बेम्बू बस. थोड़ा नहीं बहुत थैला चाहिए.
Character क्या? What's your character?
Gura Dangoria.
Gura Dangoria. Okay, good. This is our main character. What's your character? Korapat. Oh my God. It's very terrible. Our cultural rally competition about to start after a few minutes. This is our English department's cultural rally. See? Acting. Good. Cultural rally has ended here. This is our department. See? There the daughter of girls. Quiet. Boro, oi Boro. Who will explain you?
विरास बैठो और उठ फेरा बोले फोटो छोटा भूत ना जाओ तुम लोग छोटा भूत नहीं ऐसा वीडियो बनेगा
Deka. Oh Deka.
She's Daisy and Boroka. And Daisy has become she. Oh, ठेला वाला.
हमारा डिपार्टमेंट का लड़का लड़कियां हो गई है
Actually, it's not true.
Princess हमारा डिपार्टमेंट
Yes, yes, definitely right.
and girls become
See, what?
man
Man. Okay, it's good.